It looks like they're starting to sell the Cybertruck. So you can see they have all this information here. Okay, the usual stuff. And then, okay, this is just the normal usual stuff. Right, if you haven't already seen it. I have a video showing all of that, but there's a lot of stuff, okay? Anyways, here you can see they have Cyber Beast, all-wheel drive, and rear-wheel drive. They didn't have that before. So the all-wheel drive, you can see 340 miles. This one's 320. And of course, it depends which tires and stuff you choose. They have the rear-wheel drive model, 0 to 60 in 6.5. This one's 0 to 60, 4.1. And this one's 0 to 60 in 2.6. Right, you got the different top speed. What's that? 112, 112, and 130. Okay. And yeah. So I'm not sure why the top speed's different for the Cyber Beast. I'm thinking it's because it's tri-motor. It can slow down better. So maybe they don't want you to go too fast or you won't be able to slow down very well. But yeah. So they have the order now button here. And you can see the pricing for all three. Let's turn it to the normal purchase price. Rear wheel drive, you can see $69.90. Okay, $60,990, so about $61K. And yeah, then you got the all-wheel drive, $79,990, so basically $80K. All right, and then you got the Cyber Beast, which is $99,990, so basically $100K. All right, and you have to pay $250. They don't tell you what it comes with, so that's the thing, because in order to get the 340-mile range, that means they have the more energy efficient tires. I don't know what kind of colors they're gonna have for the interior and all of that other stuff. So yeah, we'll see what the 20K was giving us different when people start getting these non-foundation versions. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helped you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's get a thumbnail maybe. All right, bye.